Hey, good morning. Let's go over today's trade plan. So in the overnight session, the market has been balancing in the lower part of yesterday's range. And as I mentioned in yesterday's recap, I think the market is approaching this inflection point where if we get a breakdown below the 23.75 to 29 initial support, essentially yesterday's low, then that could open the door for a bigger liquidation move to the downside. And in that scenario, we can get range expansion into the support areas below, down into 43.98 half to 44.05 half, and possibly even lower. And in the event that the market stabilizes here and we get a breakout above the 45 to 50 initial resistance zone, that would have potential to trigger a short squeeze and an upside move that can take ES back into the recent highs at 76 half to 79 half, as well as the 83 to 88 area. So off the open today, how the market behaves at the initial support and initial resistance zone is going to be very key. Between these two zones, our intraday bias is going to be neutral, but if we get a successful break and hold above initial resistance, our intraday bias would become bullish, and that would open the door for upside range expansion. And in the event that we get a proper breakdown below initial support, and that means that the market breaks and then holds below initial support on sustained downside momentum, then the intraday bias would be bearish, and that would be in alignment with the larger pattern, and that can result in liquidation into the support areas below. And once the market gets overextended and exhausted into one of the lower zones, then buyers could still step in. So that is the market context and plan heading into the open. Let's see how the market responds to the initial support and initial resistance zone. That's going to help set the bias and tone on the day, and we'll take it from there.